Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to upload videos longer than 60 seconds on TikTok. But it is possible? Yes. Videos on TikTok can currently be up to 10 minutes long, while users could originally only record and upload 15 seconds videos on TikTok. That limit was later extended to 1 minute and then to 3 minutes, following the demand for longer videos in order to be able to incorporate more into one video. Although the 3-minute limit allowed content creators a lot more space, some requested that the limit be extended again. To make a 10-minute TikTok, you will first need to ensure that the option is available on your version of the app. Make sure that you have updated TikTok in your relevant app store, but if the option for 10 minutes videos is not there, it may not be available in your area just yet. To check if you already have the feature, open the TikTok, click on the plus button to open the camera, then above the pink circle button, swipe to pick from 15 seconds, 60 seconds, 3 minute, or 10 minute if the option is available to you. If the option isn't there, it might mean that you currently don't have access to the feature. However, as TikTok rolls it out to more and more people, it shouldn't be long until you're able to make much longer videos. If you're not able to make the most of 10-minute video feature, then you might have to get creative with cramming as much content into 3 minutes as you can. One way to be efficient with the time limit is to upload multiple clips for the same video and crop them to your liking. Launch the TikTok and click the plus button to start a new video. Click the upload button in the bottom right corner to upload media from your camera roll. Tap on the circles on the pictures or videos you want to add to your video to select them. Then click next. And then adjust clip to edit the length of your videos. Now tap save, then add any effects, text, or music you want to add. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.